Hey gang, question that I commonly get asked is, can you use your 401k for down payment to buy a home? Short answer is yes. And there's some details that you want to understand. First things first is you want to know how much you can take out. What's common is 50%, so about half of what you have in there that's liquid, up to a maximum of $50,000. So half of what you have to a max of $50,000 for a primary residence, meaning you must live in the home that you're buying. Now, remember, you are borrowing this money from yourself. So you are paying yourself back. You're not paying interest to a bank or the third party. You are going to then determine, how long do I want to take to pay this back? Because what's common is it's going to come out of your paycheck. So you're just going to net a little bit less each pay period. Now, you might be able to pay it back in 12 months, 24, 36, 48. I typically coach people to take the longer payback because it'd be less coming out of each check, and you can always add more. You can always do a lump sum when you want, right? That way you're not tied to that bigger amount coming out of your check. Another thing you want to be mindful of is, how long does it take for your request? Typically, you're clicking online and going through a system, or you might have to call payroll or HR. But you want to know, once you initiate the request, how long does it take to get liquid into your account? I see this happen several times a year, and people make the request, and then it takes 2-3 weeks to get into their account, and their closing's in a week. They literally just blew up their own transaction or shot themselves in the foot, or caused an unnecessary delay. So you want to get clear on the process. How long does it take, and what's the actual process it goes through for that money to get liquid into your bank account? Leveraging your 401k is a fantastic tactic to put a down payment down on buying a home. Because remember, 401k is pre-tax money. So you want to max out that 401k, and then if and when you need to leverage it and use it towards down payment, do so. If you have any questions at all, or you know someone that's thinking about this, share this message, comment below, hit the like button, and let me know how I can help.